Hi, welcome back to Wealth and Travel on a Dime. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that me and Tony has been doing forever and we didn't even realize we were doing it. That is loud budgeting. You may have heard about it on the internet or on TikTok recently, but it's basically being transparent with our friends and family about money. Now, it's not so much about us saying we can't afford to do this. It's more about saying I don't want to spend money on this or that. Let me give you a couple examples. So maybe your friend invites you out to an expensive dinner and you say, I think I'm going to pass on this one because I don't really want to pay $50 per plate. I'm not trying to spend money right now. I'm trying to save money. Or maybe some family members are going on a tour of Italy. It's going to be the most amazing trip ever. But you have to say, it's not really affordable for me right now because I'm saving for a car. But you guys go on, have a great time, and I'll see you when you get back. Can't wait to see the pictures. Those are examples of loud budgeting. Now, recently, I was on vacation with friends, and we were on a cruise, and we were on an excursion on a private island with an open bar. It was an absolutely beautiful place. And a friend of mine asked me if I was interested in getting a massage with her. I love massages, nothing against them. It would have been a wonderful time. But my response back to her was, I think I'm going to pass because that would cost me 5 hours of doing gig work to pay for it. And the 5 hours of doing gig work at $20 an hour was not worth the 1 hour I was going to get the massage. That's when it dawned on me right then and there that I am definitely a loud budgeter. Now, there can be downsides to being a loud budgeter. One is you may get invited to less of those expensive dinners. But is that going to bother you? It certainly does not bother me. Some people may call you cheap. And so be it. I'm okay with being cheap as long as my money is being spent where I want my money to be spent, not where everyone else thinks it should go. Another thing is, not everyone was going to want to hear about your budget or about what you can afford or can't afford. So some people may look at that negatively because they're not used to being open and talking about money the way you are. But there is lots of great benefits to it. One is it's very easy to do. Two, it may help you to start sticking to your budget if you're a loud budgeter. Because then you start thinking about exactly where your money is going. You learn more about your money and more of what value you put on your money. Also, another great thing is, remember all those expensive dinners or concerts or things that you did just because you didn't want to say, I don't want to spend my money on this? You know what you did? You probably put it on a credit card. Then you got in debt, and then you were more stressed than what you would have been if you just simply said, I either can't afford it right now, or I don't want to spend my money on that right now. Those are all great benefits. Money is a very taboo subject for a lot of us. And as more people start loud budgeting, I think it will get less and less of a taboo thing. Loud budgeting for us has been great. We get to be more intentional with our money, and our friends and family know what our intentions are. We are very transparent about all of our goals with everyone, including you guys. So if you are a loud budgeter, give me some examples of how you've loud budgeted in the comments below. I would love to hear from all of you guys and just see if you're doing it, or maybe you just don't feel like you could do it. Maybe you feel like your personal money is a private thing. That's okay too. I mean, we all have our things and we all have our views. But if you've liked this video, make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you get the notification bell while you're there. And I'll see you guys in the next one.